Take two. All right. Hey friends, I'm Kim.
And I'm Norm.
And we are Mountain Beaches. And we are heading off to the RV Super Show. We are really excited to be able to go and compare two specific kinds of Grand Designs.
Yeah, we're looking to see the Grand Design Reflection 337 and the Solitude 310. Those are our two favorites right now, and we want to see them side by side up close. We've never been inside of a 310. So
Up
we're looking,
close and personal.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it. So come join us. Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS for rear living.
You're rolling 22 in.
All right, so here we go. It's a great size refrigerator. It's almost as big as my one at home.
Yeah, it's huge. Does it just come with the wood, or can you get with
Just the wood.
Just the
Just the
wood.
wood?
Yep.
Okay.
Which is easy to clean over a stainless steel. Customers love that raised panel wood. It's not a flat panel.
Uh-huh.
And for this market area, this area out here, a lot of people dry camp, so they prefer the RV fridge.
I really like this island. I like it because it's a lot of space off to one side, so you can prep here, do dishes here. It's got, oh, this one has just, oops.
Crash. Nothing broke. Nothing broke.
It's got the great big sink instead of the one that's split.
Where do people typically store these covers while they're...
In the cushions. What we do when we transport from location to location is we just put them right there.
There you go.
And
Yep.
they don't move.
Pro tip number one.
There you go.
So, and I love the cooktop oven microwave setup. Also set off to one side.
Yes.
You have
That.
prep side on the other. And this is more of a professional cooktop.
Uh-huh.
And the stove too. I don't know, we have an older trailer and we might as not use our stove. And this one is very usable.
This is a convection microwave, so you can bake a turkey in here, biscuits, grill a steak, or microwave. Sealed burner stove, and then the Furrion oven, which doesn't look like an RV fridge. It's very updated, very modern, and it's larger.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And we've done really well in the industry with the Furrion appliances.
I love this pantry.
Automatic light.
Yeah. It's nice and deep. It's got plenty of shelves.
Now, I noticed this particular one has a booth for the dinette. Is an option a table and chairs, or do they all come
Yeah,
with
the
a booth?
337, depending on the market area, most of our market areas, we stock them with the freestanding dinette tables and chairs. Typically see booths with more bunkhouse models.
Right, families.
This particular area, big with families, so we do stock them with the booth, but the freestanding dinette is an option. This is a 50 amp service, but they're using the new Coleman Mach air conditioner, which is very quiet. And if you add a second Coleman Mach to the bedroom, you can run both of those on a 30 amp service, where other air conditioning systems have to be run on 50 amp, and not everybody goes to a 50 amp.
Pro tip number 2.
Yes. We're learning
Look
all
at
sorts
that.
of things.
Well, okay, I'll give you a third one, and then
Okay.
I'll let you go.
Yes, please do.
The fireplace does
Yes.
have a blower on it, and a lot of times people want to take the morning or evening chill off. So you can turn the blower on, the fans on your AC units, and it'll pull the heat in through the ducting and act like a furnace, so you're not depleting your propane.
That's a
Yeah.
fantastic idea.
So the sound system does have Bluetooth.
There's a DVD, that's a DVD that's in there right now.
Okay.
AM, FM, DVD. MP3, you have an auxiliary port and a flash drive, the
Okay.
USB port.
Okay. And the size of the TV looks huge. Like
That one looks like
40.
it's a 32-inch, 32 or 37.
Yep. Which is plenty big for an
Yeah.
RV. They have these wonderful leather seating, and I like that there's a nice size side stand for these. Really comfy massage chairs. Make it go. Oh yes. Just pull up like that.
so it's this one is a manual recline, but still very nice, comfortable.
Very comfortable.
And most of your theater seating is going to be like this, that offers both the massage and the heat,
Uh-huh.
and then
this-
the lighting underneath.
What do you call this?
Java. This is called
Java.
Okay.
And the thing is the Grand Design does it so well, that contrast, where you have light and dark.
Right.
So
right.
if you have too much light, then it becomes washed out, and of course you don't want it too dark. So they put the lighter countertops in, they put the lighter floors in, the lighter wall, paper. Now these are the one-way tinted windows. You can see out, but people can't see in. So during the day, you don't need that sheer shade because that tint is blocking the sun.
Okay.
People can't, see in. At nighttime when it gets dark, you turn the inside lights on. Then of course you want to bring the darkening shades down. They're a lot more durable than the day-night shades with the strings that
Right.
break and stretch. And anybody who's had them knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
We know what you're talking about.
Yes.
This is a beautiful hutch.
All sorts of drawer space, which I love. Oh, this is the little space up in here because then around
the side
here,
is-
yeah, that's that there.
Big drawers.
Big drawers, lots and lots of space. I like this contrast with the glass and then the wood here.
This is tempered glass. I've never had the glass break. This hutch area and as well above your head there, you'll see that sticker hanging down.
Yes.
Motion sensor lighting.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
The reflections have 6 areas with motion sensor lighting. So when you walk in, let's say you're out at the fire pit and you stay later than your husband, you walk in, it'll automatically light up.
Okay.
You also have a class 3 hitch on the back of the reflection now, which most manufacturers do not do. This is a full class 3 hitch.
That's awesome.
I love this bathroom. It comes with this big place to store towels in here, and it goes way back in there.
It's a little bit too dark. You can't really see, but it's the
Yes.
full depth of the shower.
Yep. And then this, and it has a nice little towel
Nice
rack
towel rack
already.
there.
Lots of room in the shower, and it has a seat. Yay! I can shave my legs.
Nice stainless steel sink.
Yep. And lots of room on the counter.
Counter space. Yes,
great.
that's unusual. Medicine cabinet, kind of
Medicine
standard.
cabinet. But then it also has these
Yep,
3 drawers,
three
which is
drawers.
unusual.
Okay, so here we are inside the Grand Design Reflection 337 master bedroom. We're doing some voiceover because there was a lot of background noise and the audio was just not very good. But I'm pointing out right now the little side end table next to the bed, the windows on both sides that give you some good cross-flow ventilation. That was a queen-size mattress and a nice leather headboard above the bed with lights on both sides. We have full-length mirrors, and it's just a huge closet. Big bar. How tall this is, or not tall, but how big it is. It's just, I'm 6'2", and this is just huge in here. It is set up for washer-dryer hookups on this end if you want to do that. So if you take out this end of the closet, 2 shelves, or washer-dryer on that end. And it has just a ton of space everywhere. USB connections down low, power down low. Then there's the dresser. The dresser is 9 drawers. Fairly good size, fairly deep. Beautiful dresser, dark up here, and a little bit lighter. This is almost a black, and then a dark brown. And then up here, more storage. This bedroom just has tons of storage. I don't think we could even use all this storage. So much.
Well, I can give you some clothes to put into it.
Okay.
You take me along.
Yes, absolutely. There's plenty of room. Okay, that concludes this week's video of the Reflection 337 RLS. Next week, we're going to be showing you the Solitude 310 GK.
We're excited to show that to you. But for today, remember to hit that like button, subscribe,
And ring that bell so you'll be notified when we produce our next video. And remember, life is a lot more fun in the mountains.
or on a beach.
We'll see ya.
Bye-bye. I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna need to get cue cards. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this week's video. Okay, thanks for joining us in this week's video. Next week we're going to be looking at the Solitude 310, so come follow us next week.
Oh, and you'll be able to see which one we think is the best for us.
Well, not really, because that's the following week.
Oh.
And subscribe!
You were supposed to say and subscribe.
No, I was doing the bell.
Well, it doesn't have to be perfect.
It does. They expect perfection. Our viewer expects perfection.
Stop. He's an engineer. I am not.